डॉक्टर V.K. शाश्वत जी, पद्म भूषण, मेंबर नीति आयोग, श्री अजय प्रकाश साहनी जी, सेक्रेटरी मेटी, डॉक्टर विजय भटकर जी, पद्म भूषण, प्रो वीसी नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी, श्रीमती ज्योति अरोरा जी, स्पेशल सेक्रेटरी एंड फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर मेटी, श्री अरविंद कुमार, ग्रुप कोऑर्डिनेटर मेटी, डॉक्टर भारत काले जी, डायरेक्टर जनरल CIMET, all eminent speakers in this conference, and friends from media, a very good morning and greetings and on International Women's Day also. It gives me immense pleasure to be present here on the occasion of 30th Foundation Day of Center for Materials for Electronic Technology, CIMET, and inauguration of International Conference on Multifunctional Electronic Materials and Processing, MEMP 2021. Electronic materials are components are of all core electronic devices. Materials are the backbone of capacity and functionality of any electronic gadget. The performance of electronic product is directly dependent on the component used. Substantial financial support in research and development on emerging materials has continuously been provided. Through commercialization of R&D outcome is a challenge. CIMET was hence established in 1990 to fill the gap between R&D and production of critical electronic materials. Government of India has been implementing a flagship program, Digital India, with a vision to transform India into a knowledge economy and digitally empowered society by releasing the full potential of fast-paced technological advancement. Developing digital infrastructure and offering digital services that can bridge the digital divide and lead to inclusive growth and empowerment of every citizen is the essence of Digital India. India is always a forerunner in production and export of software products. The resurgence of electronic manufacturing has now made India the manufacturing location for the second largest number of mobile phones in the world. This transformation speaks volume about the success of Digital India. Efforts are being undertaken in a focused manner to make India an electronic manufacturing hub. Under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Adarniya Shri Narendra Modi ji and guidance of Honorable Minister of Electronics and IT Adarniya Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, the domestic production of electronic items has increased substantially from over 1,90,000 crores of rupees in 14-15 to 5,33,550 crore in 1920 at a compounded annual growth rate of 23%. India's share in global electronics manufacturing has grown from 1.3% in 2012 to 3.6% in 2019. As per industry estimates, Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat spirit has propelled electronics manufacturing. That is particularly visible in over 200 manufacturing units of mobile phones and accessories, creating almost 6.3 lakh direct and indirect jobs. The production of mobile phone has gone up from about 6 crore mobile phones in 14-15 to approximately 33 crore mobile phones in 1920. Promoting electronics manufacturing in India shall be a key element of Digital India in coming years. Technologies have the potential to transform the trajectories of nation. The vibrant ecosystem of hardware manufacturing in the country would require component and advanced material manufacturing as well. Enormous technological developments has come up with scientific advance in field of electronic material in past few decades. I am glad that CIMET is focusing on niche areas and developing unique expertise in electronic material to serve the nation. I am also happy to note that CIMET has been producing hafnium and silicon carbide for strategic sectors, that is DRDO and ISRO, for years as trusted sources. A remarkable piece of innovation in broad areas of electronic materials with application in energy devices, photonics, and space research communication has been sustained through high level of R&D. I understand CIMET has created few center of excellence to address above challenges and to promote participatory mode of research along with end users in various emerging areas, rechargeable batteries, e-waste recycling, additive manufacturing, among others. These initiatives are contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. I look forward to CIMET's active role and responsibility to cater the need of requisite know-how to local industries as well. As a social responsibility, CIMET has developed indigenous polymer swab, antimicrobial nanomaterial coated face mask. These developments has been phenomenal during the crisis time of COVID. Besides a program of skill development and capacity building for SC, ST, women, students in different areas for creating entrepreneurship has also been initiated. It is my sincere desire that CIMET's innovative approach in producing the quality material and creating intellectual property rights would regenerate Atmanirbhar Bharat in manufacturing sector. I assure full support to the CIMET scientists and young qualified and enthusiastic youth working under their guidance. My best wishes to entire team of CIMET for all the good work being done and for the international conference on multifunctional electronic material and processing MEMP 2021. With this, I conclude my speech. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaskar.